Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
What's going on here?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
You want these lovely people to go in there, which is totally dangerous?
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
I'm ready to do that.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, folks. Hey, Micky dear. Right there with me. What could possibly go wrong?
I must have hit that track switch!
Working on the radio.
It's a stampede! You're right, look!
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Hot dog! There they are! Baby, hot dog! Oh boy!
We made it!
Nothing can stop us now!
Wait, Mickey, wait!
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Welcome, dancers, welcome. Come. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's conga!
Relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of these things? I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, big fingers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.